Back with the camera fogging because we're just at those kind of temperatures. The final saga to our trash found project, almost going 2 weeks, is, well, that switch is much better, is a brand new Powerhead for free. The new part number, and it comes with the directions and handle, which I thought was shocking, and which I thought, why did I buy a filter? Well, this is actually a shittier filter. Oh, bird over there agrees. It was the filter. So we have a filter that came in it as well. So I'll put my blue filter away. I'll use up this one. And it gets better because I can actually part out my old unit, the motor, and the other parts. I can actually make a couple bucks on it. So that's pretty cool that the thing I picked was recalled. And you get this whole thing for free. It's like a brand new unit. And the handle. And the screws. Filter's worth 20 something bucks. So there you go. Making money right there. And the whole handle and everything with the screws. Very nice. Not a bad deal, I say. Keep it in the trash. Just never know what you're gonna find. And might be recalled. And they send you new stuff. Now this has the new number on it. It's HD06001. I had a 6000, so they did something with these. Revised them. But as you see, this is how the end should be. If you see my other videos, not chewed up. They were trying to use pliers or something to get that off. They couldn't just simply go like this. They couldn't do that. Isn't that funny? No, I think that's funny. They couldn't do that to get the filter off. So they threw the whole thing off. I love America. People are just... That's weird. Is it really that old, you think? I don't know. Yeah, it starts with an 18. The serial is probably 2018 still. That's weird. And that's why it has, so like, the screw look weird. Stored somewhere. Well, I saved you from the trash. And now you have a whole new top part. Maybe we'll find another one. When Toys R Us closed, somebody threw one of those things out. When they cut the cord off, I should have grabbed it. But I left it. It probably could have been under warranty too.